Hello children, do you remember studying addition in your earlier classes? Let's brush up your memory by quickly revising the concept of addition. We use addition when we want to find out the total number of items, people, or even the yummy candies we have. Mathematically, addition is the operation to know the total quantity when two or more than two quantities are taken together. In this video, we will learn the properties of addition from the chapter Addition. The first property of addition is called order property of addition. It means that changing the order of two addends does not change their sum. Now students, addends are the numbers that are added together, and the sum is the answer that we finally get. Let's do an example to understand it. Let's say you buy 5 blue balls in the morning and 4 red balls later that day. What is the total of the balls that you have? To calculate the total, you add 5 plus 4. The answer that you get is 9. Now, let's change the order and add 4 plus 5. When we add 4 plus 5, we still get the answer as 9. So, no matter what the order of addition is, the sum remains the same. Now, students, let us implement this while adding 4-digit numbers. Let's add 6445 and 2649. Starting from ones place, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. We write 4 and carry 1 over. Next, adding 4 and carried over 1, we get 9. Moving on to the hundreds place and adding 4 and 6 gives us 10. So we write 0 and carry over 1. Finally, 6 plus 2 plus carried over 1 gives us 9. The answer that we get is 9094. The second way to add this is like this. Starting from ones place, 9 and 5 is equal to 14. We write 4 and carry 1 over. Next, adding 4 and carried over 1, we get 9. Moving on to the hundreds place and adding 6 and 4 gives 10. So we write 0 and carry over 1. Finally, 2 and 6 plus carried over 1 gives us 9. The answer again is 9094. We see that 6445 plus 2649 is equal to 2649 plus 6455 is equal to 9094. This proves the order property of addition. The second property of addition is the additive property. It states that the sum of any number and 0 is that number itself. Let's say you have 10 marbles with you and you add 0 marbles to it. When you add 0 to 10, you get the answer 10, which is the number itself. According to the additive property, adding 0 marbles to your collection will not change the total number of marbles you have. Now, let's add 0 to a 4-digit number 3214. When we add 0 to 3214, we get the answer 3214. So the sum is the number itself. Students, now we move on to the third and the last property of addition, which is the associative property of addition. It is also called grouping. It states that the way in which we group the addends does not change their sum. It means when we add 3 numbers, we may group the first 2 addends or the last 2 addends, we will always get the same final sum. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Imagine that you have 2 apples, 3 oranges and 4 pears, and you need to know what is the total number of fruits that you have. To do so, we first group 2 and 3 together. So we will first add 2 and 3, which equals to 5. And now we will add 4 to 5, so we get 9 as our answer. Students, let us now regroup the other numbers, that are 3 plus 4. So we will now add 2 to the sum of 3 and 4, which equals to 2 plus 7. So we get 9 as our answer. This means that no matter how we group the addends, the sum remains the same. Let us now add 6,000, 3,777 and 1,169. To add these numbers, we first group the first 2 addends. So we will first add 6,000 and 3,777. Solving 6,000 plus 377. First, 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. So we get 7 at 1's place. Then again, we get 7 at 10's place and 7 at 100's place. Now, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So we get 9 at 1000's place. And the answer is 9777. Next, we add 9777 plus 1169. We start by adding the rightmost digits, which are 7 and 9. We get 16. We write down the digit 6 and carry over the digit 1 to the next column. Next, we add 7, 6 and they carried over 1. We get 14. We write 4 and carry over 1. Moving on, we add 7, 1 and carried over 1. We get 9. Finally, we add 9 plus 1, that gives us 10. Since we have no numbers left, so we cannot carry over any number, we write 10 as it is. The answer is 10946. Now, let's add the numbers by regrouping the last 2 addends, that is 3777 plus 1169. Solving 3777 plus 1169 first, we add the terms at 1's place. 7 plus 9 is 16. We write 6 and carry over 1. Next, in the 10th column, we add 7, 6 and they carried over 1. The answer is 14. We write 4 and carry 1 over. Then in the 100th column, we add 7, 1 and carried over 1, we get 9. Finally, we add 3 and 1 and we get the answer 4. The final answer is 4946. Now, we add 6000 and 4946. Adding the values in the ones column, 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. Next, in the tens column, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. In the hundredths column, 0 plus 9 add up to 9. And finally, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So the final answer is 10946. So students, no matter how we group the addends, their final sum remains unchanged. Now children, let me tell you an interesting way to learn more with the EduRev app. Do you know that you can solve the worksheet of this chapter and can also take the MCQ test with the EduRev app? These worksheets and tests can also help you become the topper of your class. And not just mathematics, you also get courses for EVS, English, Science, Hindi and all other subjects in the EduRev app. Go ahead and join the EduRev app to learn in the most interesting way. Thank you.